It's date day. Tony's taking me out for the day. Where are we going?
To wash the van.
It's been 6 months, so she's due for a wash.
Yep.
Here's a clear sign that it's been too long between trips. This little fella's made a web from the tree over to the van.
So we found a good car wash to go to. They've got a Gantry, so we'll go check it out and see how that goes.
At least the date came with a nice latte. "57 Wash is located in Brendale in the Moreton Bay region of Brisbane and is open 24/7. As well as the self-serve caravan and boat wash bays, they have a drive-through tunnel wash, underbody wash and a dog wash. And while Tony was a little nervous, he cleared it quite easily with our Snowy River SR20. You pay by the minute, so we would recommend if you're planning to take advantage of the crowd DJ to crank some tunes, that you set that up first and then take the time to figure out which nozzle works for each setting, so you can go straight to it once you hit start. There is a minimum of $5 for cards, and you get 1 minute on the clock per dollar, so you can choose the amount you want and tap your card. As soon as you tap your card, the countdown clock will start, so it pays to think ahead on what programs you will use too. We spent $30, but we really could have taken our time and spent more. The verdict? Tony would prefer to wash at home with a bucket and a ladder. Me personally, I like the convenience of the gantry for those tricky spots, the multiple programs and having everything ready to go. We would love to hear how you wash your caravans. Are you a wash at home with a bucket person like Tony? Or are you already looking up your nearest gantry wash?
Well, that was an experience. Oh, it was a cool place. Vending machines, you could pick your music. Very funky. With the 20-foot van, Tony cleared it easily. I was pretty confident that he would.
But you feel like all eyes are on you and you're still nervous. We all know how that feels.
Yeah. Another hot tip, I guess, would be wearing good shoes.
Yeah, it was slippery.
We wore our thongs and the guy ahead of us didn't rinse, so there was just soap everywhere. So we both kicked the thongs off and went barefoot. Felt a lot safer.
By the way, thongs go on your feet. Plural, a thong is the underwear.
He's wearing a thong.
She loves it.
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you want more hot tips from two rookies finding our way. Safe travels. See you in the next one.